What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. So, today is October 1st, 2021. Friday, October 1st, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you for being here, man. All right. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yeah, really good day today for the stock market and for crypto, or at least last time I checked for crypto. Haven't checked for a couple hours now, but yeah, really big green day today. Much needed, market's been a little crazy lately, so yeah, this was much needed. So hope you guys made some fat tendies today. I did not, but we'll get to that in just a sec. But yeah, great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And no news today, no significant news, so we'll jump right into the analysis. Today we'll be going over CEI Camber Energy, of course. That was number one trending. We're going to do FAMI Farmmi, which we discussed for 2 days now, but that's still trending, so we'll cover that. And I have support and resistance for that one now. Finally drew that. We got Ride, Lordstown Motors. That one is down a lot today. We'll get to that. Wonder if there was news. I couldn't really check. We'll get to that. And then we'll do Bitcoin, BTC, and PROG Progenity. So those were all trending top 10 on StockTwits today. So we'll cover all of that. And if we got time, we can just briefly go over some major runners today. It wasn't trending top 10, but some honorable mentions that we might have to take a look at. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. Seems like people are a little bit slow here today coming in, but that's all right. We'll get started anyway. A little bit weird. Usually Fridays, usually on Fridays, it's very crowded in here. Oh well, that's all right. We'll get started anyway. ETC started shooting up at 6:30 a.m. ETC, Ethereum Classic, or is that a stock? ETC? I think you're talking about Ether Classic, right, Team Crawford? Don't know, but anyway, sounds like you made some money there, so congrats, dude. What's up, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, as always. All right, let's get started, guys. Yeah, people a little slow coming in, but that's all right. Let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, guys. Let's do it. BTC. All right, BTC. All right. Yeah, got you. Yeah, that went up like a couple $1,000s today. Like for $4,000 or $5,000, something like that. I did see an article about a lot of shorts got squeezed out. A lot of short positions got liquidated in crypto. So, yeah, I would never recommend shorting crypto, but a lot of people do, and they got wrecked today. So that's a major factor as to why crypto and Bitcoin is pumping today. We got a little birthday party to go to in a little while. All right, man, that's fine. I never force you guys to stay here, but I appreciate you guys staying until, this like 2-3 hours every day. But yeah, man, Team Crawford, go take care of whatever you got to do, man. But thanks for being here right now. All right, let's do it, guys. And boom. All right, so as always, we'll start off with my plays today. Yeah. So, spoiler alert, I got wrecked today. I mean, not that bad, but very disappointed in myself. Not so much about the money, but I just made a lot of mistakes today. It's pretty uncharacteristic of me, so I'm pretty upset with myself. But let's get into it. So, ALZN, Alzamin Neuro. If you guys remember, I shorted this one yesterday. middle of the day. I shorted this. It halted middle of the day yesterday. I wanted to get 280, and it never came down to that yesterday, but I held overnight, and today it did hit 280. So I cashed out there for a little over 10%. Was pretty happy about that. Now, BMRA, Biomerica. So this one was running in the pre-market. I shorted at 570. I got in a little too early. I should have waited a little bit more. I should have got it at 6, but oh well. So yeah, this one did not come back down very much today. So I'm bag holding that currently. So down a little bit of money here, a couple $100. Not too bad, but yeah, that's currently at 621. Well, 614 now. So yeah, still down, still bag holding, but not too bad there. All right, then we have. All right, so this was what wrecked me here. PALT, Palt Talk. Let's look at the chart here. All right, so this is what happened, right? So yeah, right before the market opened at like 9 o'clock, this started going nuts, started squeezing. Then when the market opened, this halted to the upside, had a major run all the way to 1350. And, you know, in the moment, I just got really scared and I panic covered because, you know, I've seen charts like this before. I really thought this was going to be another runner. Maybe not like a runner, but I thought this doesn't really have too much of a chance of coming back down in the short term. You know, I was looking at the chart. Volume is going down. Price is still going up. I'm like, oh, hell no. This is real bad. Real bad. So, yeah. So I covered at $13. I literally covered the top. Almost the top here. $13. Right after the halt, I was like, nope, I'm out. And then literally 10 minutes after I covered at 10 o'clock. Literally at 10:10, 10 minutes later, this goes timber. Sorry, so here's what happened. He bought, dump it. That's literally what happened here. So yeah, if I waited 10 minutes more, I'd probably be holding right now. But anyway, so my average was like 870 there, so I'd still be in the red. But you know, I cost myself $2,000 here today, about 40% by covering early, and it's pulling back in the aftermarket. So yeah, clown on me. It's really pulling back in the aftermarket. Holy crap. But yeah, so yeah, covered at 13. Now it's down to 970. So over 2K that I lost there. If I just held for longer, if I just held through right now, I'd be up over, not up, but I'd save over 2K right now. So yeah, clown on me. You know, this was up over 30% earlier, and now it's down like minus 10%. So 40% swing, total clown on me. And it's still dumping in the aftermarket here. So, yeah. Oh, Marvin, today was bad for you also, so I'm not alone. That makes me feel a little better, dude, but sorry to hear that. I was thinking the same thing when I was typing it, like the MJ song. Damn, look at that, 950. It's at 950. It's at 950, and I covered at 13. This is so disgusting. 942. I'm just watching this go timber live, you know, like, this is making me really upset. The market makers are conspiring against me. I'm telling you guys. Look, 936. It's going timber right in front of my face. Look at this. Look at this. I'm telling you, the market makers are trolling me. Trolling me. Anyway, I gotta stop looking at this. I'm gonna get too upset. But yeah, basically, the stock hasn't been going good past couple of days. So, I was like, you know what? this is looking real bad. I'm going to get out of here. And as soon as I cover, it goes timber. So, no one to blame except myself. This is totally my fault. Like I said, pretty uncharacteristic of me. Usually I'm, rainbow bear, diamond balls. But this was just really, really scary. This was just squeezing for, 3 days now. And I really didn't want to take a fatter loss. So I decided to cover, and yeah, huge mistake, huge mistake. Watch, this is gonna come down to like $8, $9, $8-9 right now. Anyway, so yeah, that's what really wrecked me, PALT. Now, that was basically all my plays today. Just ALZN and PLAT. But towards the end of the day, I did manage to grab some shares of PED, Pedevco. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I got in here at 215, and it's currently at 204. So Prince and Tendies right there so far in the aftermarket here. So makes up a little bit for that fat L. But yeah, only 3 moves today: ALZN, PLTA, and PED. I covered ALZN, covered PLAT, unfortunately, and I'm currently still holding PED, which I hope goes timber pretty soon. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't like super nasty, I guess, but this is, I usually don't have bad days like this bad. I've had worse, but again, like I said, it's not really so much about the money, not so much about the dollar amount. I'm just really upset at myself for being so stupid. Like, I literally covered the top. If I just waited 10 minutes, I could have saved myself over $2,000. But oh well, that's how it goes, I guess, right? So I'll make it back. It's all right. It's just pretty upsetting to me. But yeah, my responsibility, my fault. So take it on the chin, move on. Same thing happened to me on FAMI on the long side. As soon as I made the decision to cut, it pumps. Well, Marvin, but although you made money actually though, right? Or did you lose on there? I think you made money. So yeah, similar situations, except you got out. You managed to escape a lot better than I did. I would have been better looking for something to short. Yeah, FAMI, yeah, I thought you were going to load up till 50, dude. What happened to that? Pretty big pullback today. Pretty nice buying opportunity, not financial advice. That's down at 34 cents now in the aftermarket. We'll get to that. I miss SMTX this morning. When I said them in Discord, they went from 215 to 284 strong bull rally. Oh man, Team Crawford, that sucks. Yeah, very unfortunate. Sorry to hear that, but at least you didn't lose money. Missed out on a lot of tendies there, like 30%. That really sucks, but it's better than being in the red. So all things considered, it's alright, Team Crawford. What's up, Iron Man? Check out ADVM. Sure, dude. And thanks for being here. Appreciate you. ADVM. Oops. What's going on here? Clown on you, Team Crawford? Sure. Clown on all of us today, I guess. On a day where we're supposed to be printing major attendees, clown on all of us. Alright, so what's going on here? ADVM. Alright, so it's just some PR here. They presented some data. Yeah, just PR, nothing too crazy. So I'm going to try to make a move on this one, but probably not going to get filled. Let's see here. 280 should do it. All right, so I'm gonna set a sell order for $3 here. It may not hit, but I'm gonna try to get this for $3 here. So thanks for that, Iron Man. Thanks for the tip there. I was about to go look at the aftermarket action anyway, but yeah, here goes the order for $3. So probably won't get filled, but you never know. All right, cool. Made like $130 off ATR and sold. Nice, man. Congratulations, Iron Man. Glad to hear that. Very happy for you. I could have made $250 off day trade Thursday, but I held hoping it would hit green today again. Yeah, sounds like you got a little too greedy there, Iron Man, but luckily you did manage to get out with some pretty good gains there. At least you didn't go into the red, so yeah, that sucks. You could have made almost double, but hey, man, $130, that's pretty good. You know, go treat yourself to some nice dinner or something tonight. All right, this is starting to bounce here. All right, so before we get into oh damn, PED is running back up. Before we get into the watch list, the general watch list here, let's look at the aftermarket action first. Well, not too much data coming in yet, so we'll come back to this. All right, let's move on to the watch list. Yeah, kind of weird, guys. Not too many people in here today, yet at least. You know, usually on Fridays people do come in. Usually it is a pretty crowded show on Fridays, so little weird, but that's all right. Appreciate you guys for being here. Hopefully more people come in a little later. All right, so the Dow Jones finishes up 1.43%. The Nasdaq finishes up 0.7%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 1.15%. Yeah, so major green day today. Very nice, very much needed. So yeah, hope you guys printed some fat tendies. Let's go over what happened today. I'm finna watch you and play some New World. All right, dude. Yeah, no problem, dude. All right. So looks like our travel stocks are up today. American Airlines is up pretty big. Apple's up 0.81%, and Airbnb is up 3.14%. Got AMC up 1.05%. And ATER down 3.14%, but we're not going to discuss that one today. We have some other meme stocks we have to get to. And Alibaba down 2.6%. That's pushing 140 now. When will the bleeding stop? And Bed Bath & Beyond keeps on pulling back, down another 4% today. Yeah, Carnival Cruise up, so it looks like travel stocks doing pretty well today. We got Clover up 1.08%, Coinbase up 1.61%. And Delta Airlines up pretty big, 6.5%. Yeah, travel stocks doing really well today. DoorDash down 1%. DD down 2.7%. So yeah, China not doing too great today. Wow, Disney up 4%. That's a big day for Disney. And DraftKings up 5%. So big day for those two stocks. Let's see here. Got Google up 2.14% and GME up 0.82%. GREE keeps on pulling back, down 1.76% today. Yeah, JetBlue is up pretty big. Today was a great day for airlines. All right, what else we got here? Marathon up 5%. Damn, Moderna's down 11.37% today. Jeez, that's down 44 bucks. Ouch. Wasn't it just at 440 not too long ago? It went down like 100 bucks in a couple of days, huh? Holy crap, Moderna. MicroStrategy up 5.89%. Naked down 5%. And Norwegian Cruise up 6%. Yeah, travel stocks again. Up really big. Damn, Novavax down 12.4%. That's nasty. What else we got here? Got Pinterest up 3.28%. Palantir up 1.21%. PayPal up 1.71%. And Ride down 18.17%. Very nasty, but we'll cover that one third today. Alright, what else we got here? SoFi up 3.59%. Very nice. Virgin Galactic down 5.81%. We got Twitter up 2.63%. Uber up 5.02%. Interesting. Big day for Uber. Yeah, it looks like financial's doing really well today. Visa, American Express, Bank of America, all the financial institutions doing pretty well today. Anything else here? Got Wish down another 2%. Workhorse down 3.53%. Yeah, that's about it. Where's Tesla? Tesla's sideways, so. Yeah, I think we did a YOLO about Tesla. Yeah, we did a YOLO about Tesla yesterday, I believe. And at 800 at the 800 strike, and yeah, that's not going good. That probably expired worthless. But yeah, guys, a lot of green here today. I just realized I did not plug in my Ethernet, so I'm on Wi-Fi. So hope the stream holds up today. Too late now, but yeah, hope the stream is working well. It looks pretty good, so yeah, my bad on that, guys, but should be all right. So yeah, guys, a lot of green today. Major indexes in the green, so hope you guys made some tendies. Hope you guys did better than I did today. IFXY is my new OTC play if people want to know. All right, well, I think Team Crawford's wife would be interested in that one. You know, so far you two are the only ones that play OTC as far as I know. It will stop at 100. I mean, that's definitely a possibility. Hopefully not. I mean, I hope you get your shares. If it does, you know, that's good for you. But hopefully not. But I would not be surprised if it does. You know, it's already down 50%. It can go down another, whatever, 30% here. What's up, Low Roller? You heard more bad news, Coinbase, about people getting hackers? I did not hear about that. What's going on there? I mean, it sounds like you're already, yeah, hackers, but that's crazy, you know? If it's such a bad problem, they really should address this. They're not doing anything about it. And it sounds like they're trying to cover it up, too, you know? Like, keep it quiet, keep it under the rug. Yeah, that's not good. I would not keep my money on there. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. I see the VIX close over 20. Not good, but the bear love. Yeah, VIX is 21. Actually went down $2. The VIX was at 23 earlier, so you know that's a major pullback in the VIX, which is a good thing for the bulls at least. Here's the link. All right, Low Roller, we'll get to that very soon. All right, so let's look at some aftermarket action here. So yeah, PALT holding around 960. CEI is pulling back to 320 right here. FAMI is down at 34. All right. So yeah, that was the stock market. Let's move on to some crypto here. Well, first let's move on to our aftermarket action. So yeah, we have some stuff coming in. Yeah, ADVM is the major runner so far. So we'll keep an eye on that one. All right, give me a second, guys. Let's pull up crypto here. All right, here's crypto. That's up 8.9% today. Yeah, huge day for crypto. It was, when I looked earlier a couple hours ago, it was only up like 4 or 5%. So yeah, 9% here. So it kept running during the day. Very nice. Much needed. You know, crypto's been kind of good lately too. So yeah, this was much needed. So let's take a look. What's going on here? And right off the bat, I see a lot of green. So that's great. We got Bitcoin up 9.47%, pushing 48K again. Ether up 9.33%, pushing 3,300. Cardano up 5.85%. Binance up 8.66%. XRP 8.44%. Solana 13.91%. Polkadot 11.24%. Dogecoin 6.73%. So Terra Luna is actually down a little bit. Like very little. Like sideways pretty much. So I guess that doesn't even count. Got Chainlink up 10.82%. Litecoin 9.26%. Bitcoin Cash 8.06%. Yeah, pretty much everything is up here. Let's sort this. Nice. See if you can get it under 1 cent. It ran up 93%. All right, so you're talking about the OTC there. What's up, Monir? Thanks for attending the show today. Appreciate you, man. You deleted your message, but I think you just said hi. Yeah, there you go. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too as well, man. Thanks for joining us today. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. All right, back to this. Let's sort. So yeah, we got Axie Infinity AXS. That's number 30 now. Holy crap. In the last, what, month or 2 months, this has been mooning. That's up 42% today. Holy crap. Yeah, that's a major runner. Then we have Icon, 26.4%. Ravane, 21.4%. Yeah, even IOTA. IOTA, Elron, VeChain, Celsius, Filecoin, Phantom. Yeah, everything in the green here. And a lot of price action. A lot of stocks, double-digit green. Excuse me, coins, not stocks. A lot of coins, double-digit green. So very bullish. Don't see how you could lose money in crypto today, unless you were short. Let's take a look at the red. Oh, here's the red. Yeah, so literally, there's only one coin in the top 100 in the red today, and that's DYDX. That's down 7.5% today. But, you know, all things considered, that's a pretty healthy pullback because it's up 75% for the week. So, yeah, only one coin in the top 100 down today, and honestly, that was kind of expected. That's a healthy pullback there. So, yeah, super bull day for crypto today. So, congratulations to everyone. Even the top 200 coin market cap going up too. Yeah, everything going up. Everything crypto's mooning today. I'm surprised I don't see any Dogecoin here. like some type of Dogecoin, Dogeback or Pepsi Doge or whatever. All these damn Dogecoins are now. XRP is back over $1 again. Very nice in my Borat voice. It's nice. Yep. Watch out. Gala coin could be Access Infinity. That was Gala coin. I don't even know what Gala coin is. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Sounds like a bad thing. Low roller. Nice, my FTM bag is up. FTM. Phantom. Yeah, 15%. Yeah, I don't know how you guys could have lost money in crypto today unless you were short. So yeah, sounds like everyone made some fat gains in crypto today. Congrats to everybody. Gala coin? Sure. Won't spend too much time on this. $0.10. Number 220. Okay. It's actually down today. Interesting. Yeah, never heard of this. But it's a small market cap here. Small market cap coin. Alright, guys. So, that was the crypto market. So, let's take a look here at Low Roller's article. He has an article for us. And I don't have any news, so after we're done with this, we'll get right into the show, right into some analysis. Gala was under 1 penny last year, so yeah, 10x. Yeah, I mean, pretty much, you know, a lot of cryptos were a lot less last year, so it's one of those poop coins that ended up running. All right, let's read this. Oh, don't have the screen up. Good thing I noticed before I started reading. So let's read this. Coinbase says hackers stole cryptocurrency from at least 6,000 customers. Okay, so it says the hack took place between March and May. And apparently, third parties exploited a flaw in the company's SMS account recovery process to gain access to the accounts and transfer crypto funds and transfer to crypto wallets not associated with Coinbase. And it says we have immediately fixed the flaw and have worked with these customers to regain control of their accounts and reimburse them for the funds they lost. So apparently they were refunded. I don't know how true that is, but that is, you know, applaud Coinbase for that, taking responsibility, closing out this flaw and giving everybody their money back. So a lot of integrity there on their part. Says the hackers needed to know the email addresses, password, and phone numbers linked to the affected Coinbase accounts. Kind of sounds like they got SIM swapped. I can't say for sure, but remember I think Low Roller linked a video a couple weeks ago, not too long ago, about this guy who got SIM swapped, and hackers tried to steal his money, but they weren't able to. But that kind of sounds like the same thing here. Sounds like you know, they take control of your phone by SIM swapping you, and then they can get into your account and transfer money out. So, yeah, I'm glad this is, I mean, Coinbase claims it's taken care of, but, yeah, I'm glad if it's not taken care of, it's finally getting taken care of right now. So, thanks for that, Low Roller. Alright, guys, so, yeah, that's all the news for today, so let's go right into some analysis here. Well, let me refresh aftermarket action first. ADVM is up to 256. Up 17% now. Yeah, 256 kind of looks like it wants to break out again. I don't know. It's consolidating here. This might break out again. So, yeah, I'm hoping I can get the fill at $3. That'd be very nice. Borat voice. Galacoin is NFT games. Hey, that could be pretty big in the future. I'm saying people need to buy up XDC. It's like XRP. Use case, cross-border finance. Well, maybe you're onto something, Marvin. I mean, honestly, back in the day, I wasn't such a big believer in XRP because it is centralized, and, you know, I mean, pretty much all of crypto is centralized now. But back in the day, you know, a couple of years ago, I was very, like, anti-establishment. You know, like, cryptocurrency is the currency for the people. Screw XRP. You know, what's the point of a centralized crypto? But I'm a believer now. It's legit for sure. So, yeah, XDC could be... Kind of sounds like Shiba Inu to Dogecoin, you know? like the next big one that people don't want to miss out on. But yeah, Marvin, hope that works out for you. I'll have to take a look at XDC. Sounds pretty good. SimSwap, glad I got out of CEI. Yeah, low roller. So yeah, you got out like at the right time before it went tanking. So good thing you didn't diamond hands. I always tell you guys, diamond hands is not really the way, you know. Gotta hit the sell button. So yeah, you made the right move there, low roller. Congrats to you. But I'm getting wrecked in RWLK. Yeah, RWLK down 10% today, 9.27. So not as bad, but yeah, pretty bad, pretty nasty there. XRP is like meme coin of crypto, like Dogecoin. I don't know, you know, I wouldn't necessarily call it a meme because there is a legit, you know, the XRP army is what they call themselves. There's legit like a lot of apes that like XRP. I have a lot of friends that like XRP. I don't personally like it like that. I mean, I think it's legit, but I'm not crazy about it. So there's probably a lot of people that invest in XRP for the meme value, and then I would say most people invest in it because they're just apes, you know. They like the coin. No, I'm not a decentralized guy. I'm hanging with the banks, with the tanks. Yeah, well, Marvin, nowadays, you know, people are more accepting of the banks being in crypto. I mean, you can't stop it. It is what it is. The institutions have successfully come in and taken it over. Not completely taken it over, but they're slowly taking over crypto. So yeah, now I'm not really against you know, institutions buying in crypto, but that's just a normal part of life. The evolution of crypto. Yeah, but back in the day, I was very anti-establishment, anti-centralization. All right, guys. So let me just see if anything's happening, and we'll get on with the show. Yeah, PALT down to 950 right now. So I covered $3.50 too early. Yeah, I literally covered over 40% too early. I should really only be down about 10% or even less right now. Yeah, about 10%. That is really nasty. So yeah, now I could have saved over $2,500 if I just held. But no, clown on me. Yeah, pretty upset. I need to stop looking at that. I effed up today. Really bad mistake on my part. Shaking my head. But at least BRMA is coming down here. Okay, So let me just make sure there was no news on any of this before we get into the analysis. No news on CEI. No news on FAMI. We have a price target here on Lordstown. And PROG. Nothing on this. All right. So let's get started, guys. XRP have huge followers. A lot of crypto community hate XRP. Yeah, I used to be a hater. Now I've come around to the idea. But yeah, it does have a lot of followers. The XRP army, as they call themselves. Bitcoin just hit 48K. Your 75K dollar Bitcoin is in jeopardy. I don't think not yet. You know, I'm not too concerned. You know, still got $27,000 to go. Far away to go. So yeah, nothing to panic about just yet. Once it hits like 65 or 70, then I'll start to get a little bit worried. But yeah, right now I'm chilling. Okay, let's jump into some analysis here. Okay. So here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $3.25 today. That is down 14.92%. So we've been talking about this stock a lot the past couple of weeks. It's been squeezing all the way from 33 cents, and it hit 4.85 at the high a couple of days ago. And honestly, it's pretty surprising that the apes have managed to keep this alive for so long and pumping for so long. But it does finally look like we are. But it does finally look like the momentum is cooling off, and we are starting to see some significant pullback, which I actually predicted. You know, I said that I thought the top was 310. I was wrong on that. It went to 485. But yesterday, after the big red candle, I did say that it does look like the squeeze is over, and I would expect to see some significant pullback pretty soon. And today we have another big red day, down 15%. So this looks like it might be reversing, and it might go into free fall pretty soon. So yeah, that is bearish. This stock looks a lot like a lot of other short squeezes. This chart looks like a lot of other short squeezes. You know, SPRT, MRIN, MMAT, not SPRT, GREE. The same pattern. They all generally follow the same pattern, which is a massive run-up followed by a massive sell-off. And yeah, yesterday I said that it looks like we have a head and shoulders going here. And it looks like the head and shoulders is continuing to form. So that is also a bearish indicator. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 345 and 320. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 345, 380, 415, 435, and the high of 485. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 320, 310, 280, 240, 215, 210, $2, 190, 175, 170, 150, 135, and then 125. And there is a good amount of support below 125, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. Still no short button on Webull for CEI. Marvin? For which stock? You need to post your YOLO red coin in Wall Street crypto Reddit. The ape will pump your red coin. So red coin can different exchange. I mean, I can, but it's only $500. It's not that much of a YOLO. It's actually not. I've been holding it for like 5 years now, 4 or 5 years. So I could do that, but I don't think it's gonna make the the top page. Low roller. Machete. What's up, dude? I haven't seen you before, but I did see yesterday at the end of the show. You did pop in at the very end. I couldn't respond to you because I already logged out. I already signed out. But yeah, dude, thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Welcome to the show, dude. Has he covered FAMI? Have I covered FAMI? No. We're going to do that second. So we're almost done with CEI, and we'll get to FAMI next. So stay around, man. Stick around. We should get to that very shortly. All right. So right now at this current price, 325, the channels to the upside and to the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 125, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 125. The RSI is currently at 74, so that is still overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 319 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was so the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So not much has changed since yesterday. My prediction seems to be correct so far, so I'm going to stick to what I said. And that is, I think this looks very bearish right now, and it's probably going to go into free fall and probably going to pull back very significantly. Can't say how far down it's going to go. But I've seen these meme stocks pump and dump. So right now it looks like it's dumping. Not looking too great. So like I said earlier, it looks like we have a developing head and shoulders here. It still is developing, but it looks like we have our shoulders forming at 345. So that's currently a bearish indicator. The head and shoulders is a bearish indicator. And we also have the bearish indicators in the high RSI and the high volume. Really no bullish indicators and no neutral indicators, just bearish indicators here. So based on the TA, this looks extremely bearish to me. I think it's going to go timber in the short term. The only thing bullish this stock has going for it is the social media sentiment. The apes are still pretty strong with this one. But it looks like the tides are turning. Anyway. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that. I do not recommend that. Like I said, this looks like it's starting to reverse. It looks like it's going to free fall pretty hard in the short term. So if you were to FOMO in here, that would be catching a falling knife, and you're probably going to end up holding some bags. So it doesn't seem that smart. Going long here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So yeah, I wouldn't do it. So yeah, I would not do that, and I do not recommend that. But I will say that when this does eventually start to catch some support, and I can't say when that's going to be, but you can just watch the price action. Wait to see when this starts to catch some support and bottom out. When it starts to bottom out, then you can take a long position. That's probably a long way down from here. But yeah, 325 is really not a great entry. Pretty bad entry. It should pull back a lot more, so you should be able to get a much better price if you're just a little patient. So again, I don't support going long at 325, but if this does pull back eventually, I would support going long at a much lower price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me right here. Yeah, for all the reasons I previously stated, a lot of bearish indicators, no bullish or neutral indicators, and this is a meme stock. So I do expect this to go free falling in the short term. And again, I can't say how far it's going to free fall. But I'm all for going short here at 325, and once this starts to catch some support, then you should cover. But I think it's a long way down before it starts catching some support. But yeah, a lot of downside potential, a lot of tendies to be made, so I would support going short here. And I really don't think there's too much risk of getting squeezed out, honestly. It would really take a strong push from the apes to send this to the upside again. So personally, I think going short here is a low risk, high reward play. So yeah, I would support that. Looks great to me. Not financial advice. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Consider taking profits if you're still up. Not financial advice, but this looks very bearish. So it's not a bad idea to lock in your profits. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI Camber Energy. Marvin, CEI, there's no short button? Really? Because I'm pretty sure there's shares, dude, on, if we go here to I borrow shares, or I borrow desk, I'm pretty sure I just checked earlier today. There were shares. Look, right here. October 1st. Yeah, there's a lot of shares, dude. There were shares all day. So, not quite sure why Webull is not giving those to you, Marvin. That's very odd. Very, very odd. Don't know what's going on there. You know, actually, I should probably put in an order right here. Let me see if I can get the shares. Because I want to short it anyway, to be honest. Should have shorted today. Don't know why I didn't. Let's go for 320. Yeah, I mean, there's shares available to me, Marvin. It's green right here, so I'm just looking to get a fill right now. I should have shorted this today. I don't know why I did not. Why did I not short this at 4? Damn, I could have made... Yeah, I should have shorted at like 380. Ah. Oh, well. See, I got the order in for 320 right now. Yeah, I should have went for this at 380 yesterday. Damn it. Wall Street Bets Crypto talking about Nano Coin. Isn't that one pretty old? I think I used to have Nano. Like way back, a couple of years ago. Low Roller says, update your app and restart. I don't think that's the problem, dude. I mean, maybe you could try it, but I don't think that's the problem. It's broker dependent. Webull just ain't doing it. Probably because high volatility. Yeah, I think it's Webull. But usually they're pretty good with this stuff. So, kind of surprising, honestly. Usually they do have the shares. I don't know what's going on there. AMC can't be shorted on Webull either? Really? Maybe they're not meeting margin requirements, so they don't want to take personal risk of defaulting. You know, like Robinhood did with GME. That's the only thing I can think of. That's really weird. AMC and Webull, not AMC and CEI not being able to short. That is really weird. Yeah, even Robinhood has shares. I don't know what's going on with Webull, dude. All right. So let's move on to FAMI. Okay, here is FAMI Farmmi. This finishes at 35.36 cents today. That is down 23.55%. Okay, so here is a newer meme stock. This is only recently started trending on StockTwits the past couple of days, and the apes are pretty strong with this one. It has quickly caught a lot of momentum. So we talked about this one. A few times this week. And yeah, the apes are still strong with this one, still trending on StockTwits. So we'll cover it again. So no news or anything to justify this price action today. So I'm just going to assume it was a whole bunch of ape stuff. Apes piling in and shorts being squeezed out. So let's jump right into this. Let's analyze. And I just got filled on CEI at 320. At 320. Now it's up to 322, of course. But yeah, I'm in for 1,600 shares. CEI. Wish me luck, guys. Okay. So first of all, we have a double gap down. The first one was around 78 cents. Excuse me. The first one was around 135, and the second one was around 78 cents. So those are currently bullish indicators. Those are telling us that the stock should come back up eventually to fill those gaps at 78 and 135. Now I can't say how long that's going to take. Why is everyone honking outside today? Now I can't say how long that's going to take, but eventually those should fill. And it also appears like we have a possible cup and handle developing. There could be multiple tops of this cup here. Could be 227, 193, 150, 115, yeah, or 115. So I guess even here, yeah, 115, 67, or 59. So yeah, a lot of possible tops of this cup here. But those are all, but it doesn't really matter where, but those are all, excuse me. But the important thing is that those are all currently bullish indicators, because that is saying that this stock should come up to complete the top of those cups eventually. What's up, Busy Bone? Did I miss CEI? Yes, you did. Sorry, dude. But you didn't miss much. I pretty much just said sell. I pretty much said it's going timber, please sell. If you want, you can catch the playback, or, just rewind, but I don't think you missed much. I literally just said it's looking really bearish, please sell. and I literally just took a short position. I'm in short right now. Machete says, no, just be ready to hold the bag for a while. Well, you don't have to hold the bag if you dump it right here. Anyway, what was the borrow rate on CEI? 9.5%? That's not too bad. CEI is toast. Don't you talk about FAMI. Yeah, CEI is toast, in my opinion. Not financial advice. I was out 2 days ago. Yeah, so, yeah, you literally sold the top, Busy Bone, so congrats, dude. Not financial advice. Maybe you want to go short right here. Could pay out pretty big. All right. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 37 cents and 30 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 37 cents, 41 cents, 45 cents, 49 cents, 54 cents, 60 cents, 67 cents, 76 cents, 80 cents, 88 cents, 94 cents, $1, 107, 111, 116, 123, 129, 134, 140, 146, 151, 158, 165, 172, 176, 183, 193, 206, 216, 227, and the high of 247. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 30 cents, 24 cents, 21 cents. Oh, that's the low. Yeah. And then the low of 20 cents. So right now with this current price, 36 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 193 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 193. The RSI is currently at 53, so pretty average there. So according to the RSI, this current price, 36 cents, is around fair market value. And this did 511 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Machete got stopped out at 40. Glad I didn't re-enter. Yeah, really good thing you didn't re-enter. You would have been down like 10%. Oh, and for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. The Chinese mushroom company dumped? Who would have guessed? Is this what it is? A Chinese mushroom company? Is that why the apes like it so much? The psychedelics? The apes really seem to like psychedelic companies. I remember, what was it called? Mind Medicine? They really, really like that stock, and that got wrecked. Looks like ADVM is not going to hit $3, unfortunately. Okay. Oops. Okay, so yesterday I said that this looks really bullish to me. And nothing has really changed, even though this pulled back so much today. The TA, the chart still looks really, really bullish. So I'm going to stick to what I said. In the short term and in the longer term, I do expect this to keep running to the upside. As previously mentioned, a lot of bullish indicators here. Double gap down. And all of these possible cup and handles. We have the neutral indicators in the RSI and the volume, and really no bearish indicators. And there's a lot of upside potential and not too much downside potential. The bottom was literally 20, so it can't go too much further to the downside. So therefore, I think that going long would be an excellent play here. Like I said, eventually, this should come back up to at least 135 to fill the gap. And maybe even further. So a lot of tendencies to be made to the upside. Who knows? Maybe this will even come back to the all-time high, 250. And if that's the case, That's a huge gain there. You know, that'd be like an 8-bagger or something like that. So yeah, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential, and a lot of tendies to be made. So I would support going long here. It seems like a really good play to me. Going long would be a low risk, high reward play because, like I said, a lot of upside potential and not too much downside potential. So even if this does move to the downside, you shouldn't lose too much money. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, like I just said, doesn't seem too smart, doesn't seem too logical. Like I just said, not too much downside potential, no bearish indicators, lots of upside potential, lots of bullish indicators, and this is a meme stock. It has strong social media sentiment behind this. So everything is pointing to this stock continuing to run to the upside in the short and long term. So yeah, going short would not be a good play here. That would be a high risk, low reward play. Again, doesn't make too much sense. Not too smart, so I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Hang in there. The squeeze has just begun. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is FAMI Farmmi. They are just regular mushrooms, not even psychedelic. Really? So they're literally just a farm? It's just a Chinese farm? Is that all this stock is? What's so special about this? I don't know. Nothing makes sense anymore. A meme is a meme. Got stopped out of CEI at $4. Still in FAMI. Entry was 44. Kind of holding a bag there in FAMI. I'm just making all kind of typos. That's alright, dude. Yeah, 44. Ouch. So that's like 20% loss so far. Pretty nasty. Sorry to hear that, Machete. But, honestly, dude, if you hold, you should be okay. This is not financial advice, all right? I don't want you to lose your money. But the chart does look very bullish, and, you know, this might be the next meme stock, so I wouldn't be too worried about it, dude. Yeah, you just kind of FOMO'd in, it sounds like. So I would just hold if I were you. Not financial advice. Maybe even average down. Not financial advice. You'll be alright, dude. It's not too bad. Alright, next one. Ride. So here is RIDE, Lordstown Motors. This finishes at $6.53 today. That is down 18.17%. Oops. I already used that one. Yeah, Machete, here. This is for you.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Okay, so here's yet again another meme stock. Although this one was not trending the past couple of weeks like all the other meme stocks, this one is consistently in and out of the news. A lot of apes really like this stock. Yeah, and it frequently is trending on and off. So past couple of days, this has been trending. And today, this again was on the top 10 in stock twits. So we'll talk about it. Now, yesterday was really interesting. Or was it yesterday or a few days ago? Can't remember. But yeah, yesterday was really interesting because we discussed this and there was news about Lordstown Motors selling their Ohio factory to Foxconn in order to finance in order to raise money and finance their production. They want to start producing their pickup truck. So personally, I thought that was really weird because I would think that's bearish news, right? You're selling off assets because you're strapped for cash. But apparently the apes took it as really bullish news, and this stock went flying yesterday. Now today, we have some pretty significant pullback here, which I expected. You know, now this is making sense. Yesterday, this made no sense. Now this makes sense. I expected a pullback all along. So yeah, really nasty pullback today. But we did have a price upgrade, so let's take a look at that real quick. So Morgan Stanley reinstates Lordstown Motors at equal weight with an $8 price target. So that's pretty big if you ask me. You know, Morgan Stanley is a respectable hedge fund. It's not one of these small, you know, pump and dump hedge funds that try to manipulate stuff. So Morgan Stanley thinks this is worth $8. That's pretty bullish. But that upgrade did not seem to have an effect on the price action today because it tanks pretty hard. Still bullish news though, worth mentioning. Machete, gotta run. Catch you later. All right, man. Peace out. And before you go, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the description for anyone who's in here. If you guys want to join the Discord, you know, if you guys want to hit me up anytime you want, chat with the rest of the community, link is in the description. You know, we're welcome to have you. But yeah, Machete. Peace, dude. Thanks for being here. And yeah, catch you later, dude. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of $7 and $6.35. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be $7, $7.45, $8.05, $8.80, $9.70, $10.35, $11, $11.80, $12.45, $13.50, $14.75, $16.20, $17.20, $18.50, $20, $21.50, $22.65, $23.40, excuse me, $23.45, $24.70, $25.85, $26.90, $28.50, $29.40, $30.90, and then the high of $31.57. All right. Oops. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of resistance would be $6.35, $5.80, $5.30, and then the low of $4.70. So right now at this current price, $6.53, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks $12.45 to the upside the channel starts to get pretty wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1245. The RSI is currently at 47, so a little bit below average. But according to the RSI, this is around fair market value. This current price of 653 is around fair market value. And this did 36 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. We actually missed some stuff here. So let's back up a little bit. So first of all, we have a gap up at 580. So that is a bullish, So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back down to 580 eventually to fill that gap. And this also looks like a possible cup and handle. There are multiple tops of this cup here. It looks like the top could be $13.50, $11, or $8.75. So that could either be bullish or bearish depending on where you think the top is. If you think the top is $8.75, this would be a bearish indicator because that means that the cup would have topped out and now the handle is forming, which means pullback. But if you think the top is 11 or 13.50, then this would currently be bullish because that would mean that this still has upside potential because this stock has to keep going up to fill those top of the cups. Okay. So honestly, it's a little bit difficult to tell where this stock is going in the short term. We have neutral indicators in the RSI and volume. We have bullish indicators in the possible cup and handles. And we have a bearish indicator in the gap up. So getting a lot of mixed signals here. Some bullish indicators, some bearish indicators, some neutral indicators. So it's all over the place. Very hard to tell where the stock is going to go. And personally, I'm not the biggest believer in this stock. You know, I think there are plenty of other EV plays that are better than this one. So this might be a little biased. But yeah, right now at this current price, $6.53, this is more like a gamble than an investment at this point. So I think the best play, if you want to take a position, either long or short, is to hold off and watch the price action. I would say that if this comes back up to 11 or 13.50, then you can consider taking a short position. And if this comes back down to at least 580, then you can consider taking a long position. But right now at this current price, 653, going long or short is very risky. Either way you go. So I think the best play is to hold off, watch the price action, and then take a position later. However, if you guys want to gamble, I'm not opposed to that. Just understand that this is very risky. And either way you go is going to be high risk, high reward. So if you understand the risks and you're willing to lose your money, then sure, I would say go for it. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RIDE, Lordstown Motors. And who knows, maybe this will... Oh, there was a gap down all the way back here. I didn't even see that. My bad. I should say that. There's also a gap down at 2260. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 2260 eventually to fill that gap. Yeah, honestly, longer term, this chart does look pretty bullish to me. But I'm just not a believer, personally, just yet. Because, like I said earlier, I do think there are way better EV plays than this. So who knows? Maybe longer term, this will run significantly to the upside. But as of right now, I'm not the biggest believer, and it's very hard to tell where this is going to go in the short term. All right, moving on. Oh, Bitcoin. Okay, here is BTC Bitcoin. This is currently at $48,555. That is up 11.33% today. We'll give this the... Sure, why not? We'll give it the moon. So today was a great day for crypto. Overall, crypto was up 9% today. Fat tendies made today. I did see an article saying that a lot of short positions got liquidated. So don't know how much that had to do with the run today, but probably somewhat of a factor. But yeah, we have a major pump today. And hopefully it keeps on running to the upside. But not much else to say about Bitcoin, so let's jump right into the analysis here. So it kind of looks like a cup and handle here. Top of the cup would be 52K. Bottom of the cup would be around 29K. But it does look like the top here has completed, and it looks like a handle has completed. It looks like we got some consolidation, and right now it looks like we're breaking out again. So far this is following all the traditional tells of a cup and handle, which is the top fills, pulls back to form the handle, consolidation, then breakout. So right now that is bullish. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 49,350 and 47,445. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 49,350, 50,530, 52,000, 56,000, 54,650, 57,585, 60,230, and then the high of 65,520. And if this goes to the downside, Next levels of support would be 47,450, 45,240, 42,740, 40,685, 38,920, 36,275, 34,070, 31,570, 30,250, and then 28,930. And there is support below 28,930, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 48,555, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. Nothing new for Bitcoin, nothing new for crypto. This stuff is extremely volatile. The RSI is currently at 59, so that is a little bit above average, but nothing to be too concerned about just yet. And this did have significant volume today, so the pump was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So there's not too much to go off of here other than the cup and handle, which, as I previously mentioned, is currently a bullish indicator. Because right now this is breaking out of the handle. So I do think this should keep running to the upside, in the short term at least. Really no bearish indicators, and we have neutral indicators in the RSI and the volume. So the TA is suggesting that this is slightly bullish right now. And maybe I'm being a little bit biased because I really, really like crypto and Bitcoin. I'm a big believer in it long term. But yeah, if you want to go long, not financial advice. You know, 49K isn't exactly the greatest entry. You know, it would have been great if you could have caught this at 40K. But it's still not bad, you know? Especially if you're thinking long term. And the chart currently does look bullish. So I'm not loving the entry, but I would support it. Because I do think it should keep running to the upside in the short and long term. So you can either buy in here at this current price and average down at the supports that I mentioned. Or you could possibly wait till this pulls back. It may not ever pull back, so, you know, be careful if you decide to wait for a better price. But yeah, I support going long here. I think it's a good play short and long term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I don't recommend that. Literally, crypto went up, Bitcoin went up $5,000 today because shorts got liquidated. So you don't want to be one of those guys. And besides that, crypto is still relatively new. The world is just starting to come around to it. And the future looks really great. So maybe it'll pull back in the short term, but longer term, it definitely should keep running to the upside. So personally, I would just never short crypto. I think that's a bad idea. Very risky. And there is some pretty strong support at 29K. I really don't think this is going to go below $29,000 again. So I would say, at worst, this pulls back to $29,000, which is a good ways to the downside. But I don't think that's very likely. I'm just saying that should be the worst case scenario. It retested 29K a lot of times, never broke that. But yeah, that's very risky. So I would not recommend going short here. Not financial advice. So congratulations to everyone currently in this coin. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this coin today. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BTC Bitcoin. All right, last one, PROG. Making a pretty good time here today. Going through this pretty fast and not too much chat today. So yeah, we're blowing through this stuff right here. Let's refresh. Nope, still not much aftermarket action going on. PED down to 209. PALT down to 960. FAMI is coming back to 35, stabilizing. CEI 320. BMRA $6. All right, not bad. All right, last one, PROG. Access Infinity pumping crazy. What's it up right now? How much is it up right now? Like 50. I mean, that was the number one coin, right? All right, so I'm going to take a drink real quick, and we'll finish up here with PROG. $50%. $110. Damn. Yeah, it's mooning. I mean, I wouldn't go for it, but yeah, printing right now. All right, here is PROG Progenity. This finishes at $1.79 today. That is up 17.76%. Okay, so this stock came out of nowhere. It started catching attention yesterday, ran up pretty hard today, and the momentum continued on to today. And the momentum is pretty strong. The apes are piling in on this one right now. This was top 10 on StockTwits today. Surprisingly, I did not expect that. But yeah, very strong momentum. The apes are currently... this may be the next... This may be another new meme stock, along with FAMI. No guarantees, but If the apes keep this one alive and keep the momentum up, this could squeeze. Not financial advice. But yeah, no specific news or anything to justify this price action today. So just a bunch of ape stuff like everything else today. Apes piling in and shorts being squeezed. So let's analyze. Is this a gap? That is a gap. So first of all, we have a gap up at 110. So that is currently a bearish indicator that is telling us that this might come back to 110 to fill that gap. And it looks like a cup and handle is currently forming. There could be multiple tops of this cup here. The top could be $2.60, $4, $5, $6, $7, or even $9.50. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. But all that matters is that that is currently a bullish indicator, because that means that the stock might come back up to those resistances to complete the top of the cup here. RSI is currently at 73. So just barely overbought and overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 248 million in volume today. Biggest volume day by far ever for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Last year, Axis Infinity was 15 cents. Damn. Yeah, that is a lot. That's like 1,000 bagger. Holy crap. $1,000 is worth 770K. Damn. Yeah, maybe we have to, you know, just play lottery. Just buy all these poop coins, and some of them are gonna hit. That's crazy. And by the way, guys, thanks for sticking around. Thanks, Low Rollers. Thanks, Marvin. I don't know, Team Crawford, if he's still here. No, he said he had to go to a birthday party. But yeah, thanks everyone for sticking around. People who still are here. Okay. So quite honestly, this chart looks pretty bullish to me. In the short term and in the longer term. In the short term, this might pull back to 110 to fill the gap. But in the longer short term and in the long term, I do expect this to keep running up. We have bullish indicators in all of these possible cup and handles. And we do have bearish indicators in the RSI, volume, and the gap up. But honestly, I wouldn't pay too much attention to the RSI right here. But honestly, I wouldn't pay too much attention to I wouldn't give too much weight to the bearish indicators currently, because the apes are strong with this one right now. And this is looking like it's turning into a meme stock. So this could keep pumping pretty hard. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, 180 isn't exactly the greatest entry, but it's still an okay price. You know, the bottom was 66. So that's almost 200% to the upside from the bottom here. So yeah, not the best entry, but if you're thinking long term, it's actually not that bad. So I would support going long here at 180, and if this does pull back to 110, then you can just average down and load up again. So I would support going long here either at this price, or you can wait till this pulls back to 110. That'd be an excellent price, 110. Yeah, a lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. You know, I really don't expect this to pull back below $1. So going long seems to be a pretty good play here. I would support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that, especially right now. This potentially could be a short squeeze in the making. This could be the beginning of a short squeeze. So you really, really don't want to get caught in this. If you do, that's going to be a lot of money that you're going to lose. That being said, this could pull back to 110 to fill the gap. So there is some pretty good tendies to be made to the downside. What would that be? That's actually over 30% to the downside. So I wouldn't do it. I think that's a little too risky. But if you guys want to go short here, then I guess I could get behind it. But please just cover at 110. If this hits 110, please cover immediately. Don't hold this for that long going short. That is very dangerous. I personally wouldn't do it, but if you guys really want to do it, sure, go ahead. But please cover very quickly. This can get real bad. I don't even think it's worth it, honestly. So I wouldn't even do it. But if you guys want to, go ahead. Going short here would be a high risk, medium reward play. I don't think it's worth it, but if you guys do, then I can get behind it. Not the best play, but good enough to support, I guess. But I really don't like it. I'd probably just stay away from it altogether. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this stock today. This could be the start of something big. This could be the start of a short squeeze. We'll have to see. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PROG Progenity. Progenity. Galacoin could be next Axis Infinity since it is NFT games, since it is 9 cents. Could be. I mean, it's worth throwing like $100 at it. That's not going to hurt. You know, even $100 in Axis Infinity would still be almost 80K. So, yeah, it doesn't hurt to throw a little money at that. The Asian guy getting wrecked in Alibaba. Alibaba down again. Oh, yeah. Not looking too great for that guy. It might actually expire worthless. He has like 8 months to go. But, you know, Alibaba may not recover in 8 months. So, yeah, not looking great for that guy. He's a lot more calm than I would be. I mean, I'm getting wrecked in my Alibaba play, but I only put a couple grand on it. He put like, what, 50 grand, 60 grand on it? So that's a lot more than I put. So, yeah, if I were him, I'd be sweating right now. But yeah, still got 8 months to go. A lot of time. Anything can happen. I just set my buy for 110. Good luck to you, Marvin. Yeah, 110 is an excellent price. If you can get that, this should move. but the short button is on Webull, though. I wouldn't short this, but yeah, 110 looks like a great entry. So hope that hits, Marvin. You getting wrecked too? Yeah, I am getting wrecked. I'm down 75% on on my options. So at this point, I expect it to expire worthless. You know, hope for the best, expect the worst. So I'm expecting a complete loss there. But, you know, I put what I could afford to lose in that. So I'm already taking it as an L. Really sucks, but oh well. I told him to go all in Dogecoin to get his money back. Well, he doesn't have much money left. He has like, what, 10K? Not that much. So Dogecoin's going to have to hit like $1 to get all his money back, right? An all-time high. But Dogecoin definitely better than Alibaba right now, for sure. All right, guys. Oh, this is pulling back to 170 in the aftermarket. Anyway. All right, guys. That is all the analysis for today. Got through that relatively quickly, you know. I don't think I did that much talking today. So thank you guys for sticking around. And let's get to the Yolos now. 1 second. All right, let me load them up. My friend just texted me. He's laughing at me because I sold Bitcoin calls at like what, when Bitcoin was at like 42K. I sold Bitcoin calls. Now it's at 48K. So he's laughing at me because the premium could have been much higher. Oh well, yeah, clown on me. I don't care. Whatever. If I waited till today, those premiums would have been much, much higher, but oh well, what you gonna do? Is my friend investing in Dogecoin too? I think he has some, but he's kind of like me, you know? He mostly holds just the blue chip crypto, you know, your Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, all that good stuff. Binance. He's not too much into meme coins or poop coins. Alright, guys, so today should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious. We just have some general YOLOs here. We have Apple, IRNT, and SPY, QQQ. So, yeah, bunch of different YOLOs here. Let's do it, guys. You love you some Doge, how much you got? Yeah, Low Roller does really love Doge. He loves crypto in general. But yeah, especially Dogecoin. I think I saw a video he posted, showed his portfolio, and I think it's mostly Dogecoin. And some other, you know, cryptos you can get on Robinhood. Anyway, let's do it, guys. So this first one is by Several Touch 2084, my bad. They say cheeky loss foliage. If you see here, I am a complete ape. Now, time for YOLOs to lose the rest of it. Just as deep effing value intended. Well, first of all, this is for you, Several Touch. I'm not sure if this is what deep effing value intended. Cause that guy made 40 million bucks. The legend himself. Deep effing value. Legend. I wish he would come back to Wall Street Bets, but he hasn't posted in a long time. We miss him. Anyway. So yeah, I'm not quite sure that's what he intended. But anyway, let's read here. you have an account deficit. You have an account deficit of $2.7 million and can't open new positions until this deficit is resolved. Yeah. Ouch. Good. So I don't really know how this is possible. Other than, I mean, I do. It's either margin, all-in leverage that went bad, or a bunch of FD YOLOs. Either one is pretty bad bankroll management, very risky. And don't do that, guys, unless you want to end up like this guy. So, yeah, ouch. This is pretty straightforward. I would really like to know what plays he made to actually do this. This is pretty impressive. This takes a special type of ape. I don't know how you do this. But yeah, guys, if there's anything we can learn from this, don't go all in margin, don't YOLO FDs, and maybe stay off of Wall Street bets, because you do stupid things when you start reading Wall Street bets. Yeah, but in all seriousness, this is really nasty. Feel sorry for this guy, but it's totally his fault. Can't feel too bad. So, Several Touch 2084, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. This is really, really nasty, but I really appreciate you in the name of content. This is great content here. Yeah, dude, I hope you're a millionaire. I hope this wasn't too bad of a hit for you. That's a lot of damn money. I hope this is something you're able to recover from. And I hope you can learn from your mistakes here. I hope this never happens to you again. So, thanks for the post. Good luck to you in the future. Sorry for your loss. Hope you make your money back. And yeah, man. Good luck to you. Thanks for posting. I got 12k Dogecoin. I lost 25k Dogecoin. Why'd you lose 25k Dogecoin? That's a lot of damn Dogecoin. I am pissed I spent cell phone for 100k Dogecoin. So you spent 100k Dogecoin on a cell phone? Is that what you're saying, Low Roller? Did you get like a good cell phone, like an iPhone 8 or iPhone 10 or whatever? What is it now, 11? Samsung 21? Those $1,000 phones? Speaking of, I need to get a new phone. I'm still on the S8, Samsung S8. I just don't want to spend $1,000 on a phone. That's so ridiculous to me. I'm good with 4G. I'm kind of cheap. So, that's a lot of dog corn. Negative 2 million balance. He should end himself. No, he should not. That'd be really sad. But, yeah, that's kind of similar to what the Robinhood guy did, right? That kid who ended himself. We talked about this the other day. Because he thought he was down 700k when he really wasn't. Yeah, he could end himself, but I certainly hope he does not. But a lot of people certainly would after losing 2.7k. That's wrecked. That's really bad. Oh, okay. So you had Dogecoin back in 2014 when it was what, like a cent? Half a cent? I remember it back then. I used to be in it like way back then. Yeah, it used to be like 0.0 something cents. So that sucks, Low Roller. But hey, you know what? I can relate. I don't have my earrings on now, but back in the day, probably, yeah, 2017 around there, 2016 maybe. I bought what was it, 1.5 carat earrings, diamond earrings from Overstock. At the time, they cost $2,000, and Bitcoin was worth $2,000 at the time. So I spent 1 Bitcoin on earrings, which I loved. I still love, by the way. But yeah, looking back at it now, I'm like, damn, I should have saved my Bitcoin. I literally spent 1 Bitcoin on some damn earrings. Like, why? Why? I could have went into my bank account and spent that and kept my Bitcoin, but I mean, nobody knew, right? But yeah, that's pretty nasty. And remember the guy, the Bitcoin pizza guy spent like 10,000 Bitcoin on a damn pizza? Imagine being him. He got one of those phones that folds. Who, me? Marvin? The flip phones? Did you see the new Galaxy? The what was it called? The Z3 or whatever? It's like it's a flip smartphone. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I was gambling my Dogecoin for fun since it was worthless. Yeah, exactly. Nobody would have thought, right? Nobody would have thought Elon Musk would pump this thing up so hard. But yeah, don't feel too bad, low roller. We've all been there. That's one biddy too many. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I could have bought some rocks. I could have bought some fat diamond rocks. Like, I could have bought 3 carat or like 5 carat earrings if I just saved my Bitcoin. But no, I wanted some little 1.5 carat. Yeah, why not? I'll blow $2,000 on this. Alright, let's move on, guys. So this one is by Immediate Guidance 6. They say, update on my do the opposite of Wall Street Bets portfolio. So this is actually for shares, but I wanted to show this one to you guys for fun, because I thought this was pretty hilarious, because I always tell you guys to do this. I always say, not financial advice, but guys, if you just do the opposite of what everyone on Wall Street Bets and Stock Twits is screaming to say, is screaming to do, you're probably going to print some pretty fat tendies. Not all the time, but I would say like 9 out of 10 times. If you do the inverse of Wall Street Bets and Stock Twits, you'll be fine. You'll do great. And yeah, here we see Exxon up 48%, Bank of America up 44%, Berkshire Hathaway 20%, Wells Fargo 57%, and Apple 4%. So yeah, a lot of tendies here. All in all, he's up, I don't know what the cost basis was, but all in all, he's up 125K, up 36%. So yeah, pretty straightforward here. Nothing much to say. Great plays here. I like him a lot. And it's kind of crazy how he's up so big on these, like, you know, blue chip stocks. Exxon and Bank of America and Wells Fargo. Damn. Caught some nice dips there. But yeah, totally agree with this guy. I always tell you guys, just do the opposite of what everyone on social media is screaming to do. You're going to print some fat tendies. And here's a great example. That's how I make my money. You know, taking the inverse of Wall Street Bets, generally speaking. And this guy's printing too, so not a bad strategy at all. I think it's a great strategy. Not financial advice. I use it. This guy did it, and yeah, you know, tends to work. So yeah, this was a great post here. Thought it was pretty funny. Pretty ironic and relevant. So Immediate Guidance 6, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. Excellent strategy here, dude. I totally agree. I support it. I do the same thing. And yeah, dude, easy money. Easy tendies. So keep it up. Congrats to you, and good luck to you in the future. Thanks for posting. Great content here. You need to diamond hands your red coin? I mean, technically I am. It's not much. It's $500. But yeah, I just can't sell right now. So in the meantime, I'm diamond hands. Unless I like go on vacation, I can cash it out when I'm on vacation or something. But I totally forgot I even had it, to be honest. But yeah, I still do have it. So yeah, I mean, sure, diamond hands. I don't care. I could either sell it here or diamond hands. I really don't care. Maybe I should diamond hands. It might be worth something in the future. I mean, I bought it because it's Red Coin, right? It's Reddit. I love Reddit. Like, everyone uses Reddit. But they haven't implemented Red Coin into Reddit yet. So maybe we're too early. We'll see. But anyway, yeah. For the time being, I'm diamond hands on Red Coin. Alright, next one. This one is by Not Luigi White. They say, I sold these Apple $150 December 15th calls at a huge loss. Went from 65K to 20K. I am dead inside. Lost sleep, motivation, everything. Did Redcoin hit 3 cents in 2017? I believe so. I think that was when John McAfee was shilling it. Because I remember this like 1 week where John McAfee literally shilled everything I was holding. He shilled like Verge, he shilled Redcoin and some other stuff. I was like, damn, let's go, John McAfee. Yeah. And, back then I wasn't too sophisticated as an investor. And I was like, hey, shit, time in hands, to the moon. And, of course, it comes right back down. And so I was up, like, a lot. like, no lie. Like, maybe a couple 100% or, like, even 1,000%. I really can't remember. But I was printing. And I was like, nope, diamond hands. Verge, diamond hands. Redcoin, diamond hands. And, yeah, it didn't work out. I should have sold them. But now I know better. Gotta hit the sell button. So now I'm teaching you guys... hit the sell button. All right. This is actually in euros. But yeah, so I guess it's already over. He sold them. Apple 150. Apple. Let's see. Honestly, I don't really like it. I mean, I actually do like the play, honestly. It's a pretty good strike. Apple's at 142. So, 150 is definitely possible in 3 months. Or 2.5 months, I guess. So what? So he lost like 70% here? Dude, he should have just held it. I mean, I'm not opposed to cutting the losses, but this does have a really good chance of going in the money in 2.5 months. I think he sold a little too early here. It's currently on a dip. This is dipping. So, it kind of looks like he sold the bottom. Here's what happened. He bought, dump it. That's an accurate representation of what went wrong here. So, I'm not saying he did the wrong thing. But, Apple can definitely hit 150 in 2.5 months. I think he sold a little too early. Kind of panic sold here. Very unfortunate. And usually I'm the one saying, cut the losses, don't hold. But now this is a situation where it was like, you probably should have held for longer and not have cut. So if Apple goes back up to 150, I know this guy's going to be super, super tight. So, but hey, it's already over. So yeah, down 45K loss. And yeah, in all seriousness, this guy sounds like he's having a pretty rough time. So let's hope for his well-being. And, yeah, I hope he makes his money back. So, Not Luigi White, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, man. This is really nasty. As for the play itself, it's not bad. It's actually pretty decent. I like the strike. Expiration is okay. I don't think it was the greatest timing, but this was a pretty decent play, I just think it went bad on you. And honestly, I think you panic sold. I think you sold out a little too fast. I probably would have held for a little longer at least. Because it's definitely not over. There's a good chance it finishes in the money. But can't blame you for taking the safe option, dude. It was just too much to handle. So I guess the only thing in the future I would recommend is not YOLOing this much. Because it sounds like this was a really big hit, where it like affects you mentally. So this is just way too big of a bet, you know? You got to bet maybe 10K next time, something significantly less. So this is just bad bankroll management. The play itself wasn't too bad, but the bankroll management is really bad here. So, yeah, dude, I suggest working on your bankroll management in the future. Anyway, yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. And good luck to you in the future, dude. It's nice to see even people in other currencies are losing money. Wall Street Bets is truly international. Yeah, we got Wall Street Bets crypto now. Do I have kin? I had kin years ago. I'm pretty sure I dumped that for like a fat loss. It wasn't too much. I think I was in for like $500, and I think I dumped it like. I definitely lost a couple $100. But I did have kin. And yeah, I dumped it for a loss. I remember that. So not anymore. He bought, dump it, European voice. Borat voice. That's when I was about to short Apple at 150. I should have did it. Hey, should have, dude. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Missed opportunity. Oh well, at least it's not red, right? I heard El Salvador using volcano mining Bitcoin. Yeah, I heard that too. They're using like geothermal energy or something, which is pretty smart. To mine Bitcoin. I think in Greenland there's also some mines where they use the natural cold air for cooling instead of like fans and AC. They just like use the natural weather to cool. So that saves a lot of money too. That's pretty smart. I like this president of El Salvador. It's a young guy, ambitious guy, and yeah, he's trying to lift his country out of poverty. You know, he's on the right track. I really respect that guy. Kin is original Shiba Inu 2017. It is going up slowly. What's it at now? 0.0001 cent? I don't know. I forgot what it even was before. All right, this one is by Dean364. They say 3 weeks ago, my account was at 0. I threw in 2K for this one play, IRNT. I caught it on the way up and down, recouped my losses for the year. All right. So yeah, here we have 30 puts for IRNT expiring today. It's over. At the 23 strike. So this was a 10K YOLO. And right now he's up 22K. Up 239%. Alright, so he doesn't show the whole play because he says he was at 0 and made 2K into 32K. So he didn't show the 2K to 10K, but he's showing the 10K to 30K. But yeah, first of all, this is some great content here. Some great degenerate content. Don't do this, guys. Please don't do this. Wonder what his account was at before it went to 0, because it sounds like he went to he was up, drilled it to 0, threw in some more money, reloaded, and got lucky. That's what it seems like here. IRNT. 14. Okay. Damn, I should have showed it this one. Look at that. Why didn't I go for this one? Man. And GREE. I should have went for that one, too. They all look the same. Look at these damn head and shoulders, pump and dump. Anyway. Yeah, so honestly, guys, I don't think there was much skill involved here. This just seems like a super degenerate ape that got really, really lucky on the upside and the downside of IRNT. He just played a meme stock perfectly, both ways. Went full Chad went full Chad mode on a meme stock, which I honestly don't think had too much to do with actual skill. I think this was just kind of lucky. But yeah, guys, don't be irresponsible like this. Don't be financially irresponsible like this. This is really dumb. You just got lucky here. So not much else to say about this. I'm really not loving the plays. I don't know what the call was, but this put was way out of the money. It just drilled much harder. So very out of the money strike, very close expiration, and I mean it was timed perfectly. So I guess all in all, it was an okay play. But I just don't like it because, like I said, it's not skill, it's luck. All luck, yeah, Marvin. So Dean364, thanks for posting. Great content here. Congratulations, dude. So this expired. It's in the money. Congratulations on your fat gains. And yeah, glad you recouped your losses. But yeah, for the play itself, not loving it, dude. Let's be honest, you got pretty lucky here. And going forward in the future, I definitely do not encourage, I do not recommend you keep doing this. This is a long-term losing strategy. The more you do this, eventually you're going to go to zero. So, yeah, I would just be very grateful right now to recoup all the losses. And I would chill on the risk tolerance, like, chill on the FD Yolos for now. Maybe buy some shares. That'd be nice. Anyway, thanks for posting. Great content. Good luck to you. And hope to see some more content from you in the future, dude. Fat Gainesville, though. Yeah, really fat Gainesville. But, again, all luck. That never happens to me. I can never get lucky. I get unlucky. Alright, last one. This one is by I think it's Skater Dude. SK13R Dude. I think it's supposed to be Skater Dude or Skeeter Dude. I don't know. Let's call him Skater Dude. He says plus 70,000 gain on SPY/QQQ puts in 1 day. Almost up 100,000 this week. Okay. Well, let's give him the J-Pow. we up all night to get lucky. Yeah, we up all night till 4 a.m. for the pre-market because we're too big of degenerates. That's literally me. Go to bed at like 12. Can't wait till 4. Wake up. Yeah, let's go. Open the casino. Alright. So just as we're about to start, here comes the siren. Now, actually, we did pretty good on the sirens today. There weren't too many sirens. So, yeah, got one here at the end of the show. Not too bad. But give me 1 second, guys. Let me mute here. Alright, my bad, guys. So we're not going to go over all the plays here, but literally everything he did was in the green. See all this green here. So it looks like he has a bunch of debit spreads on SPY and QQQ puts. So we see here, plus 37, plus 336, plus 2400, 2200, 17K, 1900, 5200, 7800, 3000, 7800, 5300, 7800, 3K, 2800. Oh yeah, this is continuing. 5400, 4K, 2500, 6,700, 124, 7,300, 3,900, 92, and 2,200. So yeah, printing the tendies right here. This isn't your average ape? Yeah, damn right. This is a, intelligent ape here. This is like Caesar, or what's Caesar's right-hand man? The orangutan that doesn't talk, that talks in like sign language. Anyway, yeah, this is an intelligent ape here, not a crayon-eating ape. So it's nice to see these, These do exist. There are Chad apes on Wall Street Bets. Not many, but there are a few. And I would like to consider myself one of them. I don't know, maybe not. But yeah. So very advanced play here. We see debit spreads is not something that's usually done on Wall Street Bets. Any multi-legged strategy really isn't done. Option strategy isn't done on Wall Street Bets. We usually just see a straight up FD YOLO. So these were safer debit spreads, and he literally hit on all of them. So yeah, very, very well done. Good strikes, pretty good expirations, and great timing. So all around, really, really great plays here. This guy absolutely killed it, and deserves all of these tendies. So this is nice, some gain corn here with a P. Nice change. So nothing bad to say about this one. So Skater Dude, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. So far, I guess they're not over yet. I really don't know if you should sell or not. You should probably secure the gains, honestly. I really don't know because too many strikes here. But yeah, dude, don't be afraid to sell out here to secure the gains. But yeah, overall, really well done. You seem to know what you're doing. So, well deserved. Congratulations. So yeah, thanks for posting. Great content. Congratulations on your gains, and good luck to you in the future. Look to hear from you again in the future on Wall Street Bets. Keep posting, dude. All right, guys. So that is the show for today. Let's refresh here before we go. Aftermarket action. Still nothing going on. We got ENG up 10%. Don't know what that is, but yeah, ADVM didn't quite hit 3, but ENG is up to 10%. ENG. Is there news on ENG? Nope, no news. So very suspicious. Don't know what's going on here. Damn, this is mooning today. I thought Kin is crazy. Have 10 trillion supply in 2017. Now have a multiple quadrillion? Really? What? So they just kept printing more coins? That's insane. Look at coin market cap. I believe you, dude. We don't need to do that. So what's it worth? 0.01 cent? Anyway. Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, I used to have Kin. I don't have it anymore. Probably would still be worth the same after all that dilution. Okay. Let's see the aftermarket action here before we go. So BMRA holding steady at 6. Damn, CEI is down to 317, which is good for me. I shorted it at 320. I'm kind of upset I didn't go for CEI sooner. I should have went for it today. I don't know. I was just kind of scared. I thought there might be a bounce or something. I could have got this at 380 yesterday. 380. And I could have covered, for like 20% or something right here today. Easily. Damn. I should have covered at 3. Yeah. I missed it. My fault. But, yeah, currently short. So hopefully, Monday keeps on going timber. I missed this one today. Damn it. I should have went for it. Oh well. And GREE. I'm kind of mad I never went for GREE. Look at that. And IRNT. I should have went for IRNT. Why did I not go for IRNT? Oh well, what you gonna do? Oh, nice. PED's down to 193. Nice. So yeah, I'm up like 10% right there. Let's go. $190. I'm gonna see if this comes down to 190. I'm gonna set the order for 190, the buy order. Have it at 170, but don't want to get too greedy here. Let's go 190. So it makes my PALT loss a little better right now. Some new coins have a quadrillion supply. Kin still have 10 trillion max supply. Yeah, all these like super, crazy supply coins I really don't trust. That's why I didn't really trust Shiba Inu and Doge, but hey, look what happened. Alright guys, that is the show for today, ending at 6:30, so we did pretty good on time today. Probably because there weren't too many people who attended the show today. Not too much. I mean, there was a decent amount, but not as much as we usually get. Seems like some regulars didn't come in, and a few people left early. But anyway, was still a pretty good show. It was a good show, actually. Just not as much talking, not as much interaction. But still, the content was really good. I had a fun time, so yeah, thank you guys. So thanks to all the regulars who came. Thanks to all the new people who popped in. And thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. I think it's just Marvin and Low Roller right now. So, really appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. Alright. Anything else before we get out of here? Uh-oh. Looks like it's reversing here. Oh, Steve is still here. Alright, I'm not going to get too greedy here. I'm going to put it at 95 cents. Because, it looks like it's starting to reverse. So, I'm going to just take the tendies here. Oh, Steve, yeah, Steve is still here. Yeah, this is for you, Steve. Uptown tie. Yeah, thanks for sticking around, Steve. Were you here the whole time? I can't even remember. I don't think Steve was in here before. No, Steve was not in here. So, don't know how long you've been here, Steve. But, yeah, thanks for joining the show again today. You should have said something earlier, dude. I had no idea you were here. There goes the fill. Ding, and yep, secured the gains here. And that's $450 easy. Let's go. Cool. For a while. Alright, dude. Yeah, I had no idea. But appreciate you. Should have said something, dude, but glad you were here today. As always, appreciate you. Alright, anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns before we get out of here? So I'm gonna try to drop yesterday's video and today's video probably tomorrow morning. Maybe tonight, probably not. So let's aim for tomorrow morning, guys. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.